Welcome, everyone, to explore the world through the lens of Top 5. This YouTube channel is the ideal destination for those who love diverse and engaging rankings. We compile and bring you the top 5 most interesting, strangest, and most incredible things in every aspect of life. Whether you're interested in animals, technology, travel, cuisine, or any other topic, Top 5 The Joy always has something surprising in store for you. Follow the channel so you don't miss the latest Top 5 videos, and let's explore the world together. Today, Top 5 will take you on a journey to discover the 5 largest bird species in Africa. Topping our list is the common ostrich. Males can stand up to 2.8 meters tall and weigh over 150 kilograms. When we think of the largest birds in the world, the first name that probably comes to mind is the common ostrich. With its towering height, impressive weight, and lightning-fast speed, this flightless bird is not only an icon of the African savannas but also a true marvel of the natural world. Ostriches impress not only with their size but also with their extraordinary adaptive abilities and crucial role in the ecosystem. The common ostrich firmly holds the title of the world's largest bird in terms of both height and weight. An adult male ostrich can stand up to 2.8 meters tall, easily towering over an adult human. Their weight is equally impressive, often exceeding 150 kilograms, with some exceptional individuals weighing more than 156 kilograms. Besides their massive bodies, ostriches also possess long necks and powerful, slender legs, ending in 2 unique toes. Most other birds have 3 or 4. These legs not only help them move flexibly across diverse terrains but also serve as formidable defensive weapons. Despite being flightless, ostriches are born sprinters. They are the fastest bipedal land animals, capable of reaching a top speed of up to 70 kilometers per hour. This incredible speed, combined with their ability to maintain high speeds for extended periods, helps ostriches easily escape predators like lions and cheetahs across the vast savannas. Their long, powerful, muscular legs act like springs, allowing them to take long, efficient strides. Common ostriches primarily inhabit savannas, grasslands, and semi-deserts across Africa. They possess remarkable adaptations to this harsh environment. Heat tolerance. The black feathers of males and the gray-brown feathers of females help to efficiently absorb or reflect heat. They can regulate their body temperature by fluffing their feathers to create an insulating layer or pressing them close to their bodies for heat dissipation. Water conservation. Ostriches can survive for long periods without drinking water, obtaining sufficient moisture from the plants they eat. When water is available, they will drink copiously. Diverse diet. They are omnivores, primarily eating plants such as grasses, shrubs, flowers, and seeds. However, they also consume insects, lizards, and other small animals. To aid digestion, ostriches often swallow pebbles and small stones, called gastroliths. Ostriches live in groups, typically consisting of a dominant male, alpha male, and several females, the primary female and subordinate females. The dominant male and primary female are primarily responsible for incubating eggs and caring for the young. Female ostriches lay enormous eggs. Ostrich eggs are the largest of all bird eggs, weighing approximately 1.4 kilograms and measuring up to 15 centimeters in diameter. Both the male and female participate in incubation and raising the chicks. In the ecosystem, ostriches play a vital role as important herbivores, helping to control vegetation. Additionally, they serve as a food source for large predators. Historically, ostriches have been hunted by humans for their feathers, skin, and meat. Today, ostriches are widely farmed for their meat, which is low in fat and cholesterol. Leather, used for high-end leather goods, and feathers, used in fashion and feather duster. The common ostrich is not only one of the most impressive birds in terms of size and power but also a prime example of the miraculous evolution and extraordinary adaptability of animals in nature. Their presence continues to be a special highlight, enriching the beauty and diversity of the African ecosystem. Ranking second among Africa's largest birds is the Kori Bustard. Males can stand up to 120 centimeters tall and weigh up to 19 kilograms. In the world of birds, some species stand out not only for their beauty but also for their impressive size. The Kori Bustard is one such bird, holding the remarkable title of the heaviest flying bird in Africa, and often considered one of the heaviest flying birds in the world. This bird embodies wild beauty, incredible adaptability, and unique behaviors, making it an unforgettable sight on the vast African savannas. The Kori Bustard is a massive bird. Males are particularly large, weighing from 11 to 19 kilograms, with some exceptional individuals reaching up to 20 kilograms. Their height ranges from 71 to 120 centimeters, and they boast an impressive wingspan of approximately 2.3 to 2.75 meters. Females are usually significantly smaller, weighing about half as much as males. Despite their heavy bodies, Kori Bustards are surprisingly capable flyers. They don't engage in long-distance or migratory flights, but when they need to take off to escape danger or move between foraging areas, they can execute powerful wing beats to lift their bodies into the air. Most of the Kori Bustard's time is spent foraging on the ground. They live in open grasslands and sparse shrub savannas across southern and eastern Africa. Their plumage is a sophisticated blend of gray-brown with black and white spots and patterns, helping them camouflage exceptionally well in their natural environment, especially when standing still amidst dry grasses. Kori Bustards are opportunistic omnivores. Their diet is highly varied, including insects, grasshoppers, beetles, crickets, and caterpillars are primary food sources, especially for chicks. Small animals, lizards, snakes, and small rodents, plants, seeds, leaves, berries, roots, and occasionally acacia gum. They have a unique habit of drinking water by sucking it up. Unlike most other birds that scoop water with their beaks, male Kori Bustards are known for their incredibly impressive courtship displays. To attract females, males will inflate their throat sacs to several times their normal size, erect the feather crests on their heads, and spread their tail feathers to reveal the white feathers on their undersides. Simultaneously, they emit deep, booming calls. After mating, the male does not participate in raising the young. The female builds her nest alone, usually a shallow scrape on the ground, cleverly concealed with grass or shrubs. They lay 1 to 2 olive-green spotted eggs. The mother bird is extremely devoted, spending most of her time incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks, only leaving the nest for very short periods to forage. Chicks take about 5 weeks to mature and become independent. Currently, the Kori Bustard is classified as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Although highly adaptable, this species faces threats from habitat loss due to agricultural expansion, hunting, and collisions with power lines. The Kori Bustard plays a crucial role in its ecosystem, helping to control insect and small animal populations. Its majestic beauty and unique behaviors enrich the biodiversity of Africa, reminding us of the importance of wildlife conservation. The Kori Bustard is not only one of the largest flying birds but also a symbol of resilience and wild beauty. Their existence is a testament to the wonders that African nature bestows. Are you impressed by this bird? Ranking third among Africa's largest birds is the Lappet-faced Vulture. Its body length can reach up to 115 centimeters and it can weigh up to 9.4 kilograms. In the wild landscapes of Africa, when a large animal falls, a chaotic scene often unfolds with the arrival of lions, hyenas, and leopards, But after the top predators have had their fill, a special guest appears to finish the job, the Lappet-faced Vulture. With its immense size, majestic appearance, and indispensable role, this vulture is not only Africa's largest scavenger but also a critically important sanitation worker of the ecosystem. The Lappet-faced vulture stands out among other vulture species due to its superior size. With a body length ranging from 95 to 115 centimeters and an impressive wingspan of up to 2.5 to 2.9 meters. They are the third largest raptor in Africa by wingspan, after the ostrich and Kori Bustard. Their weight typically ranges from 4.4 to 9.4 kilogram. And some individuals can weigh over 13 kilogram. The most recognizable feature of the Lappet-faced vulture is its bare pink or reddish head, depending on emotional state, along with distinctive fleshy folds of skin on either side of its head, resembling earlobes, lappets. Its beak is large, powerful, and sharp, specifically designed to tear through the thick skin and tough tendons of large carcasses that smaller vultures cannot manage. The Lappet-faced vulture plays an extremely crucial role in maintaining the balance and hygiene of the savanna ecosystem. They are highly efficient natural cleanup crew. Carcass disposal. Vultures are professional scavengers. They quickly locate and consume animal carcasses, preventing the spread of diseases and minimizing environmental pollution. Their extremely strong stomach acid can kill most dangerous bacteria and pathogens found in carrion, including those causing anthrax and botulism, opening up for other species. With their powerful beaks, Lappet-faced vultures can tear through the thick, tough hides of large animals like elephants, buffaloes, and wildebeest. This allows smaller vultures with weaker beaks to access the softer meat inside, ensuring no part of the carcass goes to waste. Competition and dominance. They are often the first vultures to arrive at a large carcass and tend to dominate other vulture species due to their size and aggressive nature. Lappet-faced vultures inhabit various arid and semi-arid environments across Africa and a small part of the Arabian Peninsula, including savannas, semi-deserts, and sparse woodlands. Soaring and searching. With their broad wingspan and ability to utilize thermals, they can soar high for hours without flapping, scanning the landscape for carcasses from great distances. Nesting. They build their nests on tall trees, often acacias or large bushes. The nests are constructed from sticks and lined with feathers and grass. Both male and female parents participate in incubating eggs and raising chicks. Lifespan. Lappet-faced vultures have a relatively long lifespan, potentially living 30 to 40 years in the wild. Sadly, like many other vulture species worldwide, the Lappet-faced vulture faces serious threats and is classified as endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Key threats include habitat loss due to agricultural expansion and human development. Poisoning. This is the biggest threat. Vultures often feed on animal carcasses that have died from poisoning to protect livestock from predators or other toxic substances. Human-wildlife conflict. Sometimes killed due to misunderstandings of their role or for use in superstitious practices. Food scarcity. Due to the decline of large ungulate populations, the Lappet-faced vulture is not only an impressive bird in terms of its physical form but also an indispensable part of the African ecosystem. Their role in maintaining environmental cleanliness and balance is critically important. Protecting this bird means not only protecting a unique creature but also safeguarding the health of an entire vast ecosystem. Ranking fourth among Africa's largest birds is the saddle-billed stork. It can stand up to 1.5 meters tall and weigh up to 7.5 kilogram. Among the myriad of magnificent birds in Africa, the saddle-billed stork stands out like a living work of art. With its uniquely colorful beak and tall, graceful stature, this stork is not only one of the largest water birds but also a symbol of elegant beauty and balance within the wetland ecosystems across the continent. The first thing that catches everyone's eye about the saddle-billed stork is its beak. It's not just a long, pointed beak, but a vibrant tableau of colors, vivid red at the base, a glossy black in the middle, and a distinctive bright yellow band, resembling a small saddle, across the ridge of the beak near the head. This beak is not just for show, it's also a highly effective hunting tool. Furthermore, the saddle-billed stork possesses strikingly contrasting plumage. Most of its body is glossy black, while its belly, chest, and legs are pure white. Its long, slender legs with black knee joints and red feet create an impressive color combination, making them incredibly conspicuous as they wade through shallow waters. The saddle-billed stork is one of the largest stork species in the world, standing majestically at an impressive height, reaching up to 1.5 meters. Their wingspan is equally grand, stretching from 2.4 to 2.7 meters, allowing them to soar gracefully and powerfully in the African sky. Despite its large body, the saddle-billed stork exhibits elegance and fluidity in every movement. In flight, its neck and legs are fully extended, creating an impressive silhouette against the African sky. Saddle-billed storks are adept hunters, specializing in wetlands, rivers, lakes, and swamps. Their diet primarily consists of fish, their main prey. Saddle-billed storks will patiently stand still in the water or wade slowly, then deliver a swift and precise stab with their sharp beak when they spot prey. Frogs and other amphibians, also an important part of their diet. Small reptiles, such as water snakes, large insects and crustaceans, occasionally. They also consume these. They have a solitary or paired hunting behavior, demonstrating patience and keen observational skills to seize opportunities. Saddle-billed storks are monogamous birds and tend to mate for life. They build their nests in tall trees near water sources, often isolated large trees, using branches and lining them with dry grass or other soft materials. The female typically lays 2 to 3 eggs. Both male and female parents participate in the incubation process and chick rearing. They are quite territorial birds, especially during the breeding season, and will defend their nesting area from intruders. Currently, the saddle-billed stork is classified as least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. However, their population trends are declining. Major threats include habitat loss due to water pollution, agricultural and urban development, as well as illegal hunting in some areas. The saddle-billed stork is not only an impressive-looking bird but also an important indicator of wetland ecosystem health. Their presence signifies a clean and balanced environment. Conserving this stork means protecting valuable wetlands, which are habitats for countless other plant and animal species and play an essential role in climate regulation and water filtration. With its splendid beauty and significant ecological role, the saddle-billed stork truly is an admirable symbol of African nature. Each time it soars gracefully or silently hunts by the riverbank, it reminds us of the wonder and need for protection of the wild world. Ranking 5th among Africa's largest birds is the southern ground hornbill. It can stand up to 1.3 meters tall and weigh up to 6 kilograms. Among the myriad unique birds of Africa, the southern ground hornbill stands out not only for its impressive size but also for its distinctive appearance and booming, authoritative call. As the largest species of hornbill, the southern ground hornbill is a highly iconic creature, playing a significant role in the ecosystem and making a strong impression on anyone fortunate enough to observe them. The southern ground hornbill is a large bird, standing up to 1.3 meters tall and weighing an average of 4.5 to 6 kilograms. Its entire body is covered in glossy, jet black plumage, which contrasts sharply with the bare, vivid red skin in males or red and blue skin in females on its face and throat. Males also have a large, black fleshy growth on their beak, called a casque. Their robust, glossy black, and slightly curved beak is an effective hunting tool. Another distinctive feature of this species is its long, sweeping eyelashes, which not only protect its eyes from dust but also give it a contemplative, mysterious look. The southern ground hornbill is famous for its characteristic deep, resonant call, often likened to the drum of Africa. This call can be heard from a great distance, especially at dawn or dusk. They typically call in groups, creating a booming chorus across the savanna, used for communication, territorial marking, or warning other members of the group. Unlike most other hornbill species that live in trees, the southern ground hornbill spends most of its time on the ground foraging. They are primarily carnivorous, with a very diverse diet. Insects, grasshoppers, beetles, and termites are favorites. Reptiles, such as snakes, including venomous ones, and lizards. Small mammals, like mice, moles, and young rabbits. Amphibians, like frogs. They even sometimes eat the eggs or chicks of other species. They hunt by walking slowly and deliberately, scanning the ground for prey, then quickly using their large beak to seize it. Southern ground hornbills are highly social birds, living in groups of 2 to 12 individuals, typically consisting of a breeding pair and helpers, immature females or non-breeding males, who participate in defending the territory and raising the chicks. This is one of the few bird species where the young depend on their parents and the entire group for an extended period. They play an important role in the ecosystem. As effective predators, they help control populations of insects, reptiles, and rodents. Sadly, the southern ground hornbill faces serious threats and is classified as endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Key threats include habitat loss due to agricultural expansion, urbanization, and infrastructure development, poisoning from consuming rodents or insects that have been contaminated with pesticides, human-wildlife conflict, sometimes hunted due to concerns they might eat poultry or trapped, collisions with power lines. Although they can fly, they often fly low and can collide with power lines. Slow breeding rate. They only breed once every few years, and usually only one chick survives, making it difficult for populations to recover. The southern ground hornbill is not only an impressive bird in terms of size and appearance but also an indispensable part of Africa's natural heritage. Their distinctive call is a familiar sound on the savanna, but if we don't take conservation action, that sound may be silenced forever. Protecting this bird means not only protecting a unique creature but also safeguarding the biodiversity and balance of the African ecosystem.